All right, so let's take a look at first. Before I jump into, we'll get to all three of these. So let's talk about why not just hide the ceiling fan, and let's see if I can actually demonstrate this on the fly. Okay, so when it comes down to hiding entities, let's talk about the blanket statement of controlling the visibility of geometry. So the surefire way to control the visibility of geometry is through layers. Layers is the right way to control visibility. Now, hiding, it should be considered a utility or a tool. So you don't want to hide things and plan on it not coming back. You should use layers to control that visibility permanently. Now, it's not to say that you can't hide something and have it saved, that hidden geometry saved, but, all right, and so this is where I'm going to demonstrate this, and maybe this is not the case anymore, but this has been my approach forever, is that you use layers to control visibility. Hiding is a utility. If you hide within a group, it doesn't hold on to that. All right, so let's test it. So let me go in here and turn on my section planes, and I'm going to go into my ceiling equipment, and we're going to delete this section plane. All right, that looks back, and then and I turned that one. So let me go to turn off my section cuts for just a moment, and let's turn this back. So I'm going to go to my rotate tool, and we're just going to rotate this thing back around like that. And then I'm going to back out of here. We're going to go to our section cuts. All right, so now here we are. Okay, so here's section AA. If I double click in here and select, that is my ceiling fan, right? So that's that little chunk. If I turn off my section planes or section cuts again, I've selected that. I'm going to right click on it and choose hide. All right, and then I'm going to go to my scenes, and I am going to, let's see, let me turn on my section cuts again and back out. All right, so what I did is I used the hide command within a group. All right, so then on section AA, I'm going to update this, and we are going to update my active section planes as well as my hidden geometry. All right, so I'll update that. Now, when I look at section AA, I can see that it's turned off, right? Everything looks the way I want it to look, okay? But now when I go to design, I'm going to bounce back out and then go into my ceiling equipment and see if I turn on my hidden geometry, there's my fan, okay? So let's unhide it like that. All right, so now my fan is turned on. I can see that like in here. So my fan is turned on. And now here's the moment of truth, is when I click on section AA, is that section AA scene able to remember an entity that's hidden within a group? And when I click on this, it does not. So that is, sometimes things have changed over the years, but this has been the process forever, is that layers are the absolute way to control geometry. Hiding entities, hiding edges, hiding objects, components, groups, that's just a way to get things out of your way for a moment. It is not a permanent way to control geometry. So that's the reason why I did not just hide that fan.